Welcome to ScholarNets. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our another math lesson. In the last video, we learned about GCF, that was greatest common factor. Today we are learning its best friend, that is called LCM, least common multiples. So let's get started and see what is LCM. Before that, let's imagine this. A bus comes every 4 minutes. Another bus comes every 6 minutes. If both arrive at the same time right now, when will they come together again? So let's find it out. But before that, let's understand what is LCM means. LCM means the smallest number that both numbers can reach by counting. What counting? Multiples. Okay, what is LCM? We know that it is least common multiples. It says the smallest number that both numbers can reach by counting its multiples. Or in other words, you can say the first number both numbers have in common when we list their multiples. So when we write the multiples of the numbers, we have to look the first common numbers in both the list. That is called least common multiple, that is LCM. Now we understand what is LCM. Now let's solve our bus problem. Here what we have to do, it says the first bus arrives every 4 minutes and another bus comes every 6 minutes. So what we have to do, first we have to take the multiples of 4 and 6. First step, we have to list the multiples of 4. Let's count together. What are the multiples of 4? The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. You have to write at least 6 or 7 multiples. Okay. Now in the step 2, we have to list the multiples of 6 because the first bus comes at every 4 minutes. That's why we write it down the multiples of 4. And another bus comes every 6 minutes. So we have to write the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And it will go so on. So these are the multiples of 4 and 6. Now in the third step, what we have to do, it says find common multiples. Where we have to find common multiples? In both these lists, in the multiples of 4 and in the multiples of 6, we have to see which numbers are in both lists. So let's figure it out which number is in both the list of. Here it is 12. It is also 12. Then here it is 24. It is also 24. So which numbers are common in both the list? 12 and 24. Now the fourth step says we have to pick the smallest. Out of the common numbers in both the list, which we have to see which number is the smallest. So in between 12 and 24, which one is the smallest? 12 is the smallest. So we have to pick the number 12. This is our LCM, least common multiple. I hope it's clear what is LCM and how we have to take out the LCM. We have to first find the list of multiples of the numbers. Then we have to see the common multiples between both the lists. And among the common multiples, we have to see which is the smallest number. And that will be our LCM. I hope you are getting it. So in the bus question, the both the bus will arrive together again after for 12 minutes. Okay, because we find the LCM 12. So the bus will arrive together again after 12 minutes. See, math helps us solve real life problems, isn't it? Now let's see the second method of finding the LCM. This was the first method. We have to list it down all the multiples and then we have to pick the smallest number. Now let's see which is the second method. Let's try another cool trick that's called factor method. So in factor method, what we have to do? We have to break into prime factors. Break into prime factors. I hope you know what is prime factors. What is prime factors? The number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So what was the number? 4 and 6. So we have to break down 4 into prime factors. 2 times 2 is 4. We have to break it down like this. I already taught you all this in the prime factorization chapter. If you missed it, go check it out, how to find the prime factorization. Now 2 times 3. After breaking into prime factors, what we have to do? Now take all the numbers. Okay, what are the numbers? There 2 times 2, 2 times 3. But when we are taking all the numbers, don't repeat the common twice. Like here, it is 2 times 2. We will take 2 one time only. We will not repeat it. Then we'll take here 2 and here it is 3. And we have to multiply all of this. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. This is our LCM. See, we get the same answer again. So whichever method you like and it's easy for you, you can do it. If you like the prime, if you like the factor method easy, you can go by like this. If you like the multiples list of multiples easy, then you can go by that way as well. Okay, both will give you the same answer. Just in factor method, just keep in mind that you don't have to repeat the numbers. When you are taking the numbers, you are counting all the numbers, you don't have to repeat. Like here it is 2 comes 2 times, but we take only it one time. Here 2 is one time and 3 is one time. That's why it is 2 times 2 times 3, that is 12. I hope both the method is clear to you. The multiples method also, list of multiples also, and the prime factor also. Let's take more example of LCM. Let's solve more question of LCM. It says find the LCM of 3 and 5. We will use the list of multiples here. So what we have to do first? We have to find the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. It will go so on. Now after that, what we have to do? We have to find the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Now, what we have to do? We have to look for the common numbers between both the list of multiples. So let's find out which numbers are common in both the list. For the first common number is 15. So the first common number is 15. The smallest number as well in both the list, smallest common number. So the LCM is 15. I hope you are getting it. Now let's find out the LCM of 8 and 12. What we have to do, we have to first take out the multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and we'll go so on. And then we have to find the multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48. We go like that. Now, what we have to do? We have to find out which numbers are common in both the list. Here, 24, 24. Then we got another number, that is 48 and 48. Now, between 24 and 48, we have to see which number is the smallest. 24 is the smallest, then 48. It means the LCM is 24. It's so simple. Nothing tricky here. You have to just list the multiples of both the numbers, then see which number is common and smallest common. Okay, you have to just circle all the common number and then see which one is the smallest number among all the common numbers. That will be our LCM. Okay, I hope it's clear how to find out the LCM of a number. I hope the next time when someone said find out the multiples, find out the LCM of the numbers, then you will do it in a go. You don't have to think how to find out the LCM. You all did amazing today. Now, what you guys can do after learning the LCM, you can find the multiples. You can spot the common ones, that is the common numbers between both the list of multiples, and then you can find it out the smallest number. All these things you can do it so easily. So before you go, just find the LCM of 2 and 7 and comment your answer below the comment section. Okay, then I will see how many of you will get the right answer. So always remember, find what they share and pick the smallest there. Keep in mind this sentence. In the GCF, it was find what they share and pick the biggest there. Here, find what they share and pick the smallest there. Is just the opposite of greatest common factor. It is the least common factor. So see you next time with another maths topic. Till then, keep practicing math. Bye.